welcome to the GAN 11 unboxing. Today we'll be unboxing the GAN 11.
So, can you tell us?
Shut up. So honestly, the degree of accuracy that I need for those nails was within a millimeter.
7.5 degrees.
Sorry, 2 millimeters.
No, 15 degrees.
That's for Dina.
And that's for Dina.
With too much friction, apparently.
How's the cube feel? Is it turning well?
Kind of blocky.
Why are you filming this?
Oh, nice. Here we have the GAN 11 Pro credit card. $10,000 million limit. Cube Station QR code. Now we have the accessories box. And this, presumably the cube.
Cubing at the cube?
That's cute. And I just missing up to see if I want to go face me.
That is a thumbnail. That is beautiful.
Pretty smooth.
That was so fast. I didn't see it.
That is very smooth. Very good factory.
That was such a fast T-pan. I didn't see any moves.
Ready?
2 T-pans.
Remember, I am faster than you frame counted. We both
Okay. Alright. Oh, a little scratchy. Now we're gonna do our first solve. Let's get into first solve. Let's get into first solve. Let's get into first solve.
Oh, nice man. 8 seconds. Oh, good. Scramble. 12 seconds. Oh.
15 seconds plus 17 seconds DNF. Sorry, this isn't gonna count.
Here we flipped an edge. It's unfortunate.
3-0.
POV.
Okay.
What a speed cubist sees versus what a normal person sees.
Stop. Sorry about that.
First, I am looking for the 4 white edges. Just a disclaimer, guys. I am solving through the viewfinder right now. And my hands are really cold.
+2.
I've never +2 in my life.
Penalty.
I've never +2 in the cube in my life. I have a perfect 1-to-1 non-+2 ratio.
This episode is sponsored by Domino's.
He's seeming very nonplussed.
I've never +2 in my life. I'm well known for having a 3-to-1 +2 ratio. What? Don't question it. We'll now be doing the next solve. Speedball again. That was a 760.
Alright, I try my speed now.
One more solve to get an average, Harrison. I swear to God. I swear to God.
Can you stop?
So aggressive.
It's scrambling again. It has been scrambled.
Show me 2 at Red Bulls and I'm
We're now inspecting. Inspection. I can say it looks good.
Inspection / X. X2, actually.
R, B, L, L prime, D prime, Y, R, U, prime,
Dash
L,
cross.
L.
Dash F2L, dash L.
Now let's look at what the average was.
Oh, what?
Like that? Okay.
Wait, no.
That's insane.
What?
It has a tiny computer
What
inside.
a nice scramble. What a nice solution.
Alright, it would appear we actually only
What
need 4
is
solves for some
this?
reason.
Indeed. What a
Not really
nice
sure how that
scramble
works.
and what a Yeah, nice yeah. solution by
Apparently there's no full solve
T1.
yet. So
4 solves make an average.
let's just continue, shall we?
That's true. That's a good point.
Do one more solve. To check the other 5.
What? Wow.
This is something else.
You can't
I'm not gonna lie.
8.29 average.
829 average of 5 first average. It's better than every single average I got at this competition.
Combined.
This video is sponsored by
Oh no, wrong one, wrong one.
It was. It was so suboptimal that my cube fell off.
Oh! Yeah, go.
Maybe you should learn just all the easy ZBLLs first. Like that one. Yes, you cover your head in shame. You're calling this ZBLL.
Okay, go.
Yeah, it's not happening. So it's like a T case.
Yeah.
And then it ends like a T term, but with a U2 right here. Okay, damn it, this is stupid.
The hardest event is definitely clock. The amount of turning accuracy you need in your visual solves is just So let's take 3 by 3 on your last turn. The degree of accuracy you need is 45 degrees, and that's for a +2 on clock. The margin of error.
I used to tickle my pickle to Angry Birds.
When I was about 13, I loved Angry Birds. I had every game and bought every toy they had. One day, I was playing Angry Birds, and all of a sudden, the big red bird turned me on.
I have a fun fact for you. The hardest event is definitely clock. The amount of turning accuracy you need your visual solve is just... Let's take 3 minutes. On your last turn, the degree of accuracy you need is 45 degrees, and that's a +2. On clock, the margin of error is 7. I like it.
The hardest event is definitely clock. The amount of turning accuracy you need in your visual solve. So let's take 3 by 3. The degree of error is 45 degrees, but on the clock it's 7.5. Wait, no, 15.
Where are they? Can you see them? I can't see them. I can't see them. He knows it. I don't think they're in frame at all either. So, you're gonna find this video in like 10 years and be like, what am I filming? Why the hell is Deadlock playing? Oh my god. Oh, they beat us. No way.
Did they actually beat us?
They're right there.
Run them over. Then we'll definitely win.
No way. I can't believe we're about to lose this. Oh my god, we're going down. This is not a speed run. I think we should have jumped out. We should have jumped out. Hit the handbrake. Broken arm. Oh. LNFG. 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 I cannot unhear them. Full throttle.
Oh, don't tell me my spot is gone.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no. Oh no. Drop a gear and disappear. Hard right, handbrakes.
Oh, let's do this one.
Oh, let's go, reverse. Oh, no, zero. Okay, reversing.
Okay, you're good.
No.
Okay, Steve Jobs. Bro. Liam's like, I'm bored, it's chair time. Surely not.
No.
What are these chairs?
Come on! What is this chair? 532.
Not ready yet? Needs another chair.
Oh! Penalty.
That's big.
Can I see what that looks like?
Yeah.
This is absolutely insane.
There's no way.
Bro, there's no way. On cam. Bro, there's no way. On cam.
I gotta rewatch that.
5:30.
You gotta rewatch that!
5:30.
Take your time, you've got 60 seconds.
On camera.
8 seconds.
12 seconds. 15. DNF.
Oh. No penalty.
No penalty, that's
Okay.
So now we go for 4?
He's inspecting. He's inspecting. Look at those lame delegates eating cake.
Commentate.
Yes.
Yeah, we need to commentate.
And here he comes, in hard to check. 3rd place in all the big cubes today.
Except 3x3, which is not very big.
And here he comes, he's preparing for the 4-chair jump. The legendary, the myth 4-chair jump. Ladies and gents, if he does this today, he's going to make history. And here he goes. He's winding up like a bull. And here he comes. There.
Oh my gosh.
That was just beautiful.
But a surprise.
We've got a crowd reaction.
The crowd reaction. From
So surprised he's taken down the
Lachlan.
WCA.
The one and only Lachlan.
How are you feeling, Mr. Mr. What's it, Liam?
I feel like I sort of cheated though.
Alright, I'm...
Just reference series.
Look, I reckon it's probably a longer distance in meters. What a nice... Alright, the insane man, impressed by even his own skills, decrees that a 5th chair is necessary. And after reviewing of the video footage, careful analysis of the exact distance in meters, accounting for length contraction, we're going to allow it.
We're looking to keep our PR streak here.
We're looking to keep up the PR streak of streaking over chairs.
Alive.
Oh, we're even increasing the chair distance? No. This has never been seen before. You've brought Brian Eng into the mix. He wasn't that interested.
Not interested in doing it anymore.
I'm not sure what's happened, but it can't be as important as this 5-chair jump that's just about to occur. This is history in the making. I can't hear you. That would be very suspect. Yeah, but you'd have to do a real, like, giraffe level legs. He's debating it. This is a very risky stunt. This is a very risky skunk, people. Stunt. Yes. If he misses this jump, he could break his spine, his collarbone, both of his legs. Maybe his heart would stop. Both of his spines. So you really have to do the careful analysis. And if he decides it's not worth it, we call in a crew, we take the money he's got at this point, and we leave. No.
No, he's increasing.
Or is he moving? Okay, yes, he's thinking like a tactician. Can we open those doors? Is that WCA legal? World Chair Association. He's jumping.
Bruno has it. Oh, he has to do 5.3 chairs.
He's gonna have it.
A big cube man now goes for big chairs. He's updating.
And now he's gone from third chair to 5 to chair 5. Yep.
5 chairs by 5 chairs.
Yep.
He's at it. He's doing some.
Checking the wingspan.
Yes.
He's doing a lot of mental math. Oh, it's okay. Challenger.
That's okay. We've got Brian.
Whoa.
Oh.
The challenger has not made the jump.
Definitely the hardest event.
And yet Liam is not deterred.
So a lot of excitement in the crowd today.
Wait, go run through there if you can.
The crowd goes silent. Once I said that, the crowd made more noise. He's whipping and nay-naying. This is never done before. It never will be again, perhaps.
8 seconds.
8 seconds.
Oh, but he's still going for it. That was a false start. E1, E1. He's onto something. Yeah, but this is more a question of range than... This is what? Sine theta on 2?
This is like
Hey look, he's only got a finite distance to speed up
where
from 0 to half the speed of light.
Which is what he will need to get over.
He's really good at math, so he's like calculating like how far he can fall and stuff. You know what I mean?
Yeah, can we projectile motion this? Projectile motion students will study this for decades if this heroic jump is achieved. We can't even see. He's so far off, we can't see him. There he is. What's he doing? What's he doing with those chairs? It's been 6 minutes so far. No one has jumped. Now, according to the official W Chair A regulations, this is allowed, but only if the competitor actually makes the jump. If they miss, it's a gamble that could cost them their life, and in fact will, or worse, their career. Couldn't have said it better myself. And yet I did anyway. Length contraction. This is an ancient Chinese preparation ritual undertaken by many. Here it goes. Oh my gosh! Here it goes. Oh! Wow! Oh my gosh! Oh my goodness. On cam. 5 chairs on cam.
No way. On cam.
Can we sign that? Can we sign that?
How about I sit here? Actually, if someone sat here, I could probably clear them. It's like just on one chair. If someone was to sit on the chair.
Who wants to risk their life? Everybody looks away nervously. Averts their eyes.
Why are you looking at me?
Piece of paper goes for the shot. Wow! Alright, if she can do it, Liam surely.
I'm trying to get my feet over.
Why you gotta make it about the feet?
I didn't get any warning.
Jelena, how are you feeling prior to this event?
Probably better. You don't get to see anything.
I am too. No, it's okay. It's okay. Is she standing?
You just like went to like.
Yeah, I don't think you can jump her standing.
We'll start with that.
Okay.
Yeah, that'll.
I'm very scared.
Okay, if you die, you die.
If I die.
Make sure you keep your elbows in.
Oh. Wait, are you gonna jump?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you want a warning?
Yeah.
I think that's. I feel like that's doable. Alright. Ready?
Close, we hit it.
I think I was pretty close.